Hey everybody, Carl here. You might be wondering how to remove your handlebars from a Ducati XDiavel S. It's pretty straightforward with most of the screws, but there's one little tricky part. Took me a little while to figure this out, but basically on the electronics part of the handlebar, there's this little part here. You can see it has a little tab in it and a little snap feature to it. So how that goes in there is the little round protrusion there goes in the hole in the handlebars, and then the switch housing slides over that in the hole in the side there. So when you want to remove it, you need to put either a small Allen wrench or a small screwdriver, and then on this side you can see that hole there. If you push the Allen wrench through that hole, what it'll do is it actually depresses this this little snap right here, and that allows you to remove the switch housing. So when you put it back in there, the protrusion is facing the outside, the snap is on the inside. So facing outside is that little groove. You see that little rectangular groove, that faces the outside of the handlebars. This side doesn't have that little rectangular notch, so that faces the inside. And as you can see on the other side where I've already attached it, you can see it has the same thing. It's pressed there in place. And on this side, there's that hole there that you would need to put an Allen wrench in to remove it. So that's how you do it. Hope that helped.